on 3. No way, he's already up to his headlights. What's he thinking?
Can't watch another person.
This is like awesome, like YouTube shit. Oh, what a jackass. Oh, you're beat, dude. You're so beat. We're not gonna make it. No way.
Good job.
Nothing undercarriage. Are they stuck? Four-wheel drive.
It's a long way to go to that one. Look at this kid, he's so mad watching these other cars drive through.